Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best Faucet website. That Faucet website is a Dash coin. You can claim your Dash coin free from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. You can click description link and you can come here. Okay, the next one, you need a Faucet Pay. The Faucet Pay website link available in description, and go to in here, copy the Dash coin wallet address, come here and paste it. Okay, just click login and just solve it this capture. Okay, you can solve it this capture, it's very easy. Just solve it and just click this one, I'm human, solve this each capture, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. Okay, this one is a bot, and just click it, bots, and next one, and just click check. This one is great, just click get reward. Okay, this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account. The Faucet Pay account, go to your Faucet Pay account, go to user dashboard, and you can see this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account. This website is one of the best Faucet website. You can claim it and you can earn much more from this website. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, just solve some capture and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. Bye bye for now.